Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into a next-generation graphics card designed for compact yet powerful builds, the ASUS SFF-Ready Prime GeForce RTX 5070 OC edition with 12GB of GDDR7 memory. This GPU is built on NVIDIA's latest architecture and brings a major leap in efficiency, ray tracing performance, and AI acceleration. The RTX 5070 OC edition is factory overclocked by ASUS, giving you extra performance out of the box for high refresh rate gaming, creative workloads, and next-gen content creation. One of the biggest highlights here is the 12GB of ultra-fast GDDR7 VRAM. Compared to previous GDDR6 generations, GDDR7 delivers significantly higher bandwidth and improved power efficiency. This means smoother gameplay at 1440p and strong performance at 4K, even in demanding modern titles with ray tracing and DLSS enabled. Despite its power, this card is SFF ready, using a 2.5 slot design, making it ideal for compact and mid-tower builds where space matters. Cooling is handled by ASUS Axial-tech fans, which push more air with lower noise, keeping temperatures under control during long gaming or rendering sessions. Connectivity is future-proofed with PCIe 5.0, HDMI, and DisplayPort 2.1, allowing support for ultra-high refresh rate monitors, 4K and 8K displays, and next-generation setups. Whether you're gaming, streaming, editing video, or working with 3D workloads, this GPU is ready. ASUS also includes dual BIOS, letting you switch between performance and quiet modes depending on your needs. That's a huge plus for users who want flexibility without manual tweaking. Overall, the ASUS Prime RTX 5070 OC edition hits a sweet spot, powerful enough for serious gaming and creative work, compact enough for smaller cases, and packed with modern features that make it a strong long-term investment. If you're planning a new build or upgrading to next-gen graphics, this is definitely a card worth considering. If this review helped, don't forget to like the video, subscribe for more tech content, and check the Amazon link below to grab the ASUS RTX 5070 today.